I'm all the way in another motherfucking town. But yet, you and whoever the fuck you talking to find the time to talk about me.
Well, ain't nobody said nothing about you and that etch-a-sketch-ass tattoo on your chest. I don't even know you. You need to shake so that shit disappears.
I just want to introduce you to somebody that some people know him, but they don't really know him.
All right, man, but don't be pulling out them little shiny-ass niggas, man. This starting to feel uncomfortable.
He go by the name of Transform.
Transform? What's that, code for transsexual or something?
Feed him that shit, my nigga.
Nah, don't feed me nothing, nigga. I ain't shit. I don't want none of that shit y'all got going on over there. Man, you done did all this getting your homies and shit, man. Where the nigga at? Where this nigga Transform at, man?
What the new motherfucker?
What in the social security check is going on in here, man? Oh, man. This nigga done turned into a beatboxing Bruce Leroy. Boy, if you don't back your Mr. Hanky shit emoji face looking ass up out that camera.
Nigga, I ain't care about you being up in your motherfucking feelings, nigga.
In my feelings? Nigga, I'm still trying to figure out why I got a crackhead Super Saiyan on my damn phone.
Be my brother. In fact, be my mama, motherfucker.
Nigga, be your what? Be your mama? Nigga, didn't you ask me to be your mama, nigga?
Yeah! Yeah, sir.
Man, ain't nobody finna be your old ass mama. You better change into it since you over there transforming and shit. Oh, hell no, I'm out, man.
No, but no, for real. Listen. Sorry, niggas just be leaving me that quick.
I gotta go, man. So good luck to you and Transform, and I hope you find your mama. Get a mama or something.
Yeah, that's 3 pieces, motherfucker.
Oh, he gone. Fuck he go.
What's up, bro? You alright, man?
Fuck, nigga.
I've been working for Subway for not 1, not 2, but 3 months.
How long you been there?
3 months.
You know what? Fuck it. Okay, now what happened?
3 months I've been talking about that, making them sandwiches, them bologna and meat, cold cut combo sandwiches.
You cold cut combos do me bad though. It's like you at the strip club for sandwiches. Be like, yeah, add a little cheese on there, a little ranch, don't be shy, girl. Yeah, sprinkle a little bit more on that. You know what I'm saying? Go and toast the bread. Get it hot, girl. Get it hot. Work. Yeah.
They didn't get no taste, nothing like that. Not that fire.
It is fucked up, man. I mean, they can give a letter a sandwich recommendation or something.
3 months. 3 months.
Guy?
How dare you bother me?
Me?
How dare
I ain't got nothing to do with that, man. I'll go up there with you to get your job back. Shit, I'll fill out the application to work for you. You just had my check.
How dare I'll work my fire. They don't fire me. How dare you?
We're sorry, but the video you've been trying to reach is no longer in service or has been disconnected. Ooh, fool, I'm finna gas on you for the one time. Boy, Coolio, you out here looking like a grown-ass nigga beetle. You look like a rebellious-ass Pokemon. Shit, Mander, go! You go, man. Look, I'm on break. When you left Gangsta's Paradise, you just had to steal 2 palm trees, didn't you? Boy, that shit look like tassels on a little girl's back. You look like a Men in Black roach. You look like that Cynthia dog on Rugrats. You look like a crackhead superhero. I bet you be in the club chicken and take off running when they turn the light on. Chicken, that's real. I bet when you go out in public, white people be like, you look like you smell like wrong shit in juice. Now you look like Flavor Flav, Charles Barkley, and OG. I bet you sleep upside down. I bet when you look in the mirror, you accidentally swat yourself. Damn it! Oh, you look like it was a fire and somebody tried to use you to put out fire with you. You look like a birth control commercial. What's up, man? You say you got something you want to tell the people?
Oh, hold on. Got police talking here, you know, I've been hearing a bunch of requests from for out of east.
Come again, say what?
I'll show you. You know, that's the first step. If she thought, girls don't like that. Can't find.
Nah, I'ma just leave mine in. I'll just lick my lips or something.
And then, you know, she lit.
La.
You're just gonna get into the time.
Yo, now what's this you was saying about Remy, Ma?
I heard her diss track, man, it was fire.
Oh yeah? So what you think about it? She went off, huh?
She was hammer on Nicki Minaj.
Like, what was your first reaction, though?
I was like, dang.
Yeah, I dig that. So you a Remy or a Nicki fan?
I used to like Nicki Minaj, not anymore.
Oh yeah? Why not?
That stunt she pulled on American Idol when her and Mariah were judges on American Idol.
I don't know what you're talking about. What's that?
When she threatened Mariah, talking about, if she had a gun, she'll do this to her, Mariah. And she lied and she didn't say that, but she did say that.
Hey, them makers. What's the damn deal, man? It's your boy. Y'all know who it is, man. Nigga missed the hell out y'all, man. I've been trying to get this three-way car going so I can reach out to my YouTube family, let y'all know what's been going down, man. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, boy like the fuck. Did it? I'm getting out like man, they my lawyer and shit. Hey, don't listen to these motherfuckers, man. These motherfuckers pulled up a news article and shit. Think they know the whole story. Shut the fuck up. Acting like y'all know when I'm gonna get out, man. Hey, look, I'm gonna be out before y'all know it. I'm gonna put a big slap on all y'all motherfuckers' faces since you motherfuckers know every goddamn thing. TMZ looking asses. And yeah, I already know Tutti Frutti out there acting a motherfucking fool and Melo's out there growing hairs out of God knows where. But you know what? I'm gonna get back to the business, man. The sauce and shit. I'm like, yeah, that's what I love to do, man. All the letters, all the support, all the good tidings, well wishes and shit like that, man. I appreciate that. I can't get all the letters back, you know what I'm saying? As far as returning, you know what I'm saying, letters to everybody, let everybody know I appreciate y'all, but I show them the fuck I'm trying. And for the people I can't get to, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna shout y'all out when I get out. That's real shit. I'll take my time to support the boy, hold the boy down. In the meantime, in between time, man, keep watching and sharing the videos, supporting the boy, comment, my shit, or whatever.
You gonna do the so gone challenge? What's your name?
My name's Netta.
Alright, you can go ahead and start.
That's what they call me. I don't need no fake friends in my life. I need the people gonna keep it real with me.
Oh, you already started. Oh, okay. That's part of it. Alright.
Who gonna tell me I'm doing something right and doing something wrong? Who never judge me? People always say, Netta, you can't do this, Netta, you can't do that. But I'm gonna let them know I'm gonna do something in my life. So all the haters that you talk behind my back, I don't need y'all in my life because I need people who gonna keep it real with me. One day, God gonna see somebody who's gonna keep it real with me, who's gonna love me as me, who don't judge me. So all the haters, I don't need y'all in my life. So goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. So gone.
That was the last piece, dang.
Keep it real with me.
There's a piece, dang.